What you doing, Momo? What you doing? Are you trying to scare the fishies?
No.
What you doing? I see you. Do you like coming over to your daddy's house? Yes. Careful. Don't get too much closer. You like that, Momo? Momo. Is your name Caden, Momo?
What?
Your name's Caden, huh? And I'm Daddy.
Okay, what? I'll be.
Oh, Momo, careful. One at a time. See? Momo, you gotta step back a little bit. Step back here. You're too close to the water. Oh, so you gotta get back here. Where Daddy's at. You're too close. See? Gotta stay right here.